Here we will start the practical MSc second. For that the first group, in that the group DSP, whereas the first name of the experiment is that the generation of that the waveform. In that the DSP group, for that the using for that the demo lecture, in that the demo lecture we solved for that the programs in that the MATLAB ID, whereas that the program generate for that the sinusoidal, cosinusoidal and that the square wave using for that the MATLAB. The first practical is that the aim of that the practical is that to develop the program to generate the sinusoidal, cosinusoidal and the square wave using for that the MATLABs. The first wave is that the using for that the sinusoidal sequence, whereas that the sinusoidal sequence for that the practical, here the sinusoidal sequence in that the program, where the program is that the first clear the window, then second the clear all, that means the clear the all window, whereas the F is the input, that means the enter the frequency of that the sinusoidal sequence, and the phi is the input for that the phi, that means the phase angle for that the input, the enter the phase of that the sinusoidal sequence phi, whereas Fs is the sampling frequency, whereas that the enter the sampling frequency for that the Fs for that the input. There t is the duration time, that means the input enter the duration of that the sequence t, where dt is that the 1 by Fs, and that the t for that the fixable duration is that the 0 in that the dt in that the t, where y is the formula for that the sinusoidal sequence. Here the y is the sine into bracket 2 phi into f into t into plus phi, that means the formula for that the sinusoidal sequence develop for that the program, and that the using for that the MATLAB ID to generate the sinusoidal sequence. In that the figure 1 also plotting, and that the subplotting, where subplot 211 and that the plot for that the ty. In that the t, that means the x label and that is the y label, that means the x into that the plot for that the sinusoidal sequence, and that the y is the amplitude, that means the title of that the it is the sinusoidal sequence font size and that the 40, whereas the x label is t and y label is amplitude. After that the editor window writing this program, there is the enter for that the finishing program, the observation sets for that the command window. In that the command window enter the frequency for that the sinusoidal sequence, f is the 1000, and that the enter the phase sinusoidal sequence phi, that is the 5 divided by 3, and that the sampling frequency for that the 50,000, and that the t is that the 4e minus 3, whereas that the 4e minus 3 is the standard time duration for that the using for that the MATLAB ID. After that the observation calculating and that the figure, then enter for that the button and that the display for that the PC the figure window, whereas the figure window display for that the sinusoidal sequence, whereas the y label is that the amplitude and the x label is that the t, that means the time duration 0 to 4, that means the 0 into 0.5 in that the 1 1.5 2 2.5 3 3.5 and 4th is the last one, whereas the amplitude in that the range -1 to that the 0.5 0 0.5 and that the plus 1. Here that the sinusoidal sequence. The next sequence is the cosinusoidal sequence. In that the cosinusoidal sequence change for that the formulae, that means the y is equal to cos 2 pi into phi into t plus phi, whereas that the plot ty, that means the t, that means the x label for that the time, and the y that means the amplitude for that the y label. Whereas that the observation same as about that the observation, the cosinusoidal frequency is that the 1000, the cosinusoidal sequence phi, that means the phi phase angle is the pi by divided by 3, and that the sampling frequency is that the 50,000. There is the duration of that the sequence, that means the t is equal to 4e minus 3. This is the standard time, this is the standard time duration. After that the entering that is the figure window shows that the cosinusoidal sequence, whereas the x label shows from that the time, and the y label shows from that the amplitude. The next is that the square wave sequence. In that the square wave sequence, it is the formula for that the y is equal to square in that the square wave, the formula for that the y is equal to square 2 phi into f into t plus phi. The observation for that the square wave sequence, the frequency for that the square sequence f is equal to 1000, phase of the square phi is equal to pi by 3, sampling frequency f is equal to 50,000, and that the time duration for that the 4e minus 3. The square wave display for that the figure window, whereas the t is that the time for that the x label, and that the y is that the amplitude for that the y label. In that the square wave for that the sequence, in that the positive square wave. The next is the triangular sequence, whereas the triangular sequence is the y is equal to triples t w. That means that the triples, whereas that the t and the w, where title for that the sequence is the triangular sequence, font size, and that the 14, and also used for that the observation. It is the observation for that the entering the frequency for that the triangular sequence f is equal to 1000, enter the phase of the triangular sequence phi is equal to 5 by 3, enter the sampling frequency f is equal to 50,000, and that the duration for that the time t is that the 4e minus 3. For that the all over the sinusoidal sequence, cosinusoidal sequence, in that the square wave sequence, and that the triangular sequence, using for that the MATLAB IDE. Whereas the MATLAB, what is meant by the MATLAB? The MATLAB is the high performance language for that the technical computing. It is integrated for that the computation, visualization, and that the programming in and the easy to every environment, whereas the problem and solution are typical use for that the include. The mathematical and computation also used for that the algorithm development, used for that the data acquisition, used for that the data analysis, and that the visualization, whereas the scientific and that the engineering graphs, and that the modeling, simulation, prototypes. The type of that the MATLAB files. In that the MATLAB files, there are the various type of that the MATLAB files. The first file is that the name as yum file. Yum file is that the standard ASCII text file, whereas the two types of this the yum files. First one is the script file, and second one is the function file. The built-in that the function in MATLAB are the yum file, most of which the decided computer and the pre-compiled format. You do not need for that the find build function. As per your requirement, you can create your own function which can be used for that the MATLAB program whenever and where they require. In that the MATLAB, these are called a user defined function. The second one is that the MAT files. In that the MAT files, you may want to work with the MATLAB implementation on that the several different computer system, or that the need to the transmit. MATLAB application consists of that the consist yum file containing function and that the script. The MAT file containing the binary data. It includes the strings, matrices, multidimensional array strings. And the third one is that the max file. In that the max files, whereas the MATLAB is completed self-contained environment for that the programming and manipulating data. It is often useful for that the inter with that the data and the program external to that the MATLAB environment. The MATLAB is provided are that the interface to for that the external program writing in C and the forbidden for that the language or that the fortune language. Overall, all see that the programs for that the sinusoidal, cosinusoidal, square and triangular wave using for that the MATLAB generated are successfully. The generation waveform are studied in that the successfully. For that the practical first.